Hello friends, welcome back to Ultimate Education, and here is the Farooq sir again before you with the presentation of Human Reproduction Part 1. The reproduction in human includes 6 stages. First, gametogenesis, second, insemination, third, fertilization, fourth, implantation, fifth, gestation, and last, sixth one is called parturition. The formation of gametes is called gametogenesis, which take place in both males and females. In males, it develops sperms, while in female, it develops ovum. The transfer of sperms into the female genital tract is called insemination. The fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization, which leads to the formation of zygote, and this is followed by formation and development of blastocytes, which attach to the uterine wall. That process is called implantation. Then embryonic development is called gestation stage, and finally the delivery of the baby called parturition. Let us discuss first the male reproductive system. It consists of 3 parts: primary sex organs, secondary sex organs, and external genitalia. The primary sex organ consists of a pair of testes suspended in a scrotum. Secondary sex organs consist of differentiated ducts, that is, retitestes, vasa differentia, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, and the associated glands. And the last one is external genitalia. Testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity, which are suspended in a pouch which is called scrotum. That helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testes, which is required and necessary for the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process in which the sperms are produced. A particular temperature is required for that, without which the sperms cannot be produced. Each testis has about 250 testicular lobules, which each lobule contains highly coiled seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. Each seminiferous tubule is lined by 2 types of cells: spermatogonia, that is male germ cell, and the Sertoli cell. The Leydig cells or interstitial cells are present around the seminiferous tubules, which synthesize and secrete androgen hormone. Ejaculatory duct store and transport the sperm from testes to outside through urethra, which originate from urinary bladder and extend through penis to its external opening. Male accessory glands include a paired seminal vesicle, then prostrate and paired bulbourethral glands. The secretion of these glands forms the seminal plasma, which contains fructose, calcium, and enzyme. The secretion of bulbourethral glands, as above, also helps in lubrication of the penis. The penis is male external genitalia. The enlarged end of penis is called glans penis. It is covered by a loose fold of skin, which is called foreskin. The female reproductive system includes primary sex organs, that is a pair of ovaries, then the secondary sex organs, which has the duct system, which has a pair of fallopian tube, a uterus, cervix, and vagina. Then the third one is external genitalia, and the fourth and last is mammary glands. The ovaries are primary female sex organs. It produces the female gamete, that is ovum, and several steroid hormones. Each ovary is covered by a thin epithelium which encloses the ovarian stroma. The ovarian stroma divided into a peripheral cortex and an inner medulla. The fallopian tube extends from periphery of ovary to the uterus. The part which is closer to ovary is a funnel-shaped structure which is called infundibulum. It is having finger-like projection, which is called as femori. The infundibulum leads to ampulla and join the uterus with isthmus. The uterus is a pear-shaped structure which is also commonly known as womb. The uterus opens into vagina through a narrow cervix. The cavity of cervix along with the vagina forms the birth canal. The wall of uterus has three layers of tissues. First one, perimetrium, it is the external membrane. Myometrium, it is the middle one, thick layer of smooth muscles which exhibit strong contraction during the delivery of baby. Endometrium line the uterine wall and undergo cyclic changes during the menstrual cycle. The female external genitalia includes mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora. A tiny finger-like projection present at the upper junction of two labia above the urethral opening is called clitoris. The mammary glands are paired structures that contain glandular tissues and variable fats. Each glandular tissues contain 50 to 20 mammary lobes containing alveoli that secretes the milk. Mammary ducts join to form mammary ampulla. Thank you friends for watching Ultimate Education, the Human Reproduction Part 1. We will soon be back with the Human Reproduction Part 2. Till then, have a nice period.